I'm Jordan and I'm from Sheffield. I've seen a lot of new companies entering the stock market recently and I'd like to invest, but I'm not sure whether it's best to buy in straight away or wait a little while. What's the best approach?
When a company decides to list its shares on a stock exchange, it's called an IPO, which stands for Initial Public Offering, a flotation or going public. Professional investors like fund managers will normally be offered the chance to invest. Members of the public are also able to take part in some flotations. If not, they might want to buy shares as soon as the IPO takes place. But is it a good idea? There are a few things to consider here, and not always in isolation. First, do you like the story? Perhaps the company is involved in an exciting technology or industry sector that you think will become increasingly popular. Is the IPO popular? Read the financial press for indications. Greater the demand, the higher the shares could rise. If you bought shares in the IPO, great. If you didn't and want to buy on the first day of trading, watch out. Sometimes the initial euphoria may be followed by a drop in price, so be careful. With some stocks, it can be best to wait before buying. You risk missing out on gains if the float goes well, but this might be the preferred approach of more cautious investors. Nothing wrong with letting things settle down and assessing sentiment towards the company and its shares. Cynics say that companies spend a lot of time and money getting into the best possible shape before the IPO. This can leave little benefit for investors after the float. That can be true, but an IPO is often just a natural part of a company's evolution. Its owners and other early investors can take some profit by the IPO, but very few of them sell up completely, and often the brains that made the company so good stick around. But be aware of stock market conditions and economic circumstances. A positive climate might reflect strong demand for new shares. Look to see if other recent IPOs have done well. If they have, it might be a sign of appetite for more. If not, you might want to think again.